Hey, so I want to share how I sell my products on Teachers Pay Teachers with Google Forms that are only viewable by the buyer and they are not able to edit them. So the first thing you're going to want to do is create a folder that houses all of your products that you want to sell. So here's my 3 Google Forms that go with my Equalities task cards. And then in that folder, you want it to be view only. So I'll right click it. I want to press share, and then I want to make it so that anyone with the link can view. And now what's really cool about that is that it changes the settings of the Google Forms to be view only. So normally they would be able to edit them if you didn't do that, but if you put them in the folder that's view only, it now changes it to be view only as well. So if I'm in my Google form, now inside of each of these, you're going to press send at the top right. Then you press Add Collaborators, the bottom left, and then it says anyone with the link can view, so now we want to copy this link. And that's the one that I'm going to put, and I always make some kind of landing page for all my things to be clickable. So I'm going to take my Google form for set 1, add the link in, paste it, and then you just backspace until you get rid of where it says edit and make it say copy, and press apply. And then whenever people open it up, it's going to force them to make a copy, and they won't be able to change the word copy to be edit. If they do, it'll just give them a view only version of the task cards instead of being able to edit them. So that's one way that you can make sure that no one is editing the Google Forms that you create and sell on Teachers Pay Teachers.